Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to everyone who subscribed. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial on how to do your eyebrows and shape them to your best ability. So what I'm going to start with is a pen. You can buy this pen at any local store or drugstore or Clicks or any other store that sells makeup. I'm sure you'll find this pen, so that's why I decided to do a tutorial with this pen, because I think it's such like a good pen and it fits more than other pens that draw for you. So I usually go with this pen in nicely and I take my time when I'm doing my eyebrows. I make sure that they are in line and they are according to how I envision my eyebrows. So make sure you take your time and you do it nicely and you don't rush your eyebrows, because normally when you rush them it's not the way that you want them. So it's best I do them with no rush. So once I'm done with drawing my eyebrows, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. So I'm not gonna touch a lot in the end, in the front. I'm just gonna touch a lot in the end so that I make sure that my eyebrows look snatched and good. So once I'm done with the other eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyebrow. I'm gonna do the same thing and shape it to the best ability and make sure that I go in line with how I want my eyebrows. I'm not gonna mind how my hair is standing. Yeah, make sure that you raise your eyebrows, maybe remove like a lot of hair if you have a lot of hair in your eyebrows before you can draw your brows, so that it looks good, because the hair can really mess it up and it's not necessarily to have your hair when drawing your eyebrows, so it's really distracting. So I prefer erasing it and having like a tweezer next to you. So if you do want, guys, a tutorial video on how to remove your brows with the eraser, I'll make sure that I do one for you guys so that you can see properly on how to remove your brows and trim your brows nicely. So I'm making sure that I don't fill in all of my eyebrows in front, so that it looks good when I shape my brows with the concealer. So do not mind a lot of my drawings when I'm drawing my eyebrows. The concealer is going to come and really help me when I'm drawing my brows, and yeah, I'm helping my brows to be snatched as much as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and have my brush and brush my eyebrows nicely. You can use a toothbrush, you can use anything that you have in your home, nothing really necessarily, but yeah, I use this brow because it helps me a lot. It came with the eye lip. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and now with my brush really helps me with my concealer to apply. So now that I'm applying with the concealer, I'm gonna go in carefully, and when I mean carefully, I mean like it must be exactly how you want your brows. You can go over the pen if you want, but take your time when doing your eyebrow with the concealer, and make sure you blend outside like how I'm doing. I'm blending outside so that my brow looks so professional and good. And then I'm gonna go upwards with the concealer too, with the concealer brush. The upwards is very important too, so that your eyebrows are shaped the way you want. So I'm gonna go in with this brush upwards and make sure I shape it nicely, especially in the edges.